Good morning, guys. So today right now we are at Abbotsford, and this is very exciting moment. We are on the way to West Kelowna. We just stopped at this McDonald's to get some breakfast. So we are now going towards West Kelowna. There's a wildfire going on in Coquihalla Highway, so we thought of avoiding that area and then thinking of going through Princeton in Highway 3. Alright, so we'll take you along the way, and I'll get you guys updated. See you then. Adventurous, but at the same time it's scary.
Yeah.
There's only one guy behind us, and the rest is like going back. I think that's because it's just Sunday, just we are just going in, like, and then the rest of the people are just leaving just because of Sunday, I guess. So yeah, there are wildfires going on, but I haven't seen any fires happening very close to the road, so that's why I took Highway 3. But there's fire going on throughout the highway as well in Coquihalla Highway, so which we avoided. I think I can smell this like smoke like coming in, but we have AC going on, so I think we are good. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but there's actually fire going on, and it's raining, so it's really good, I think. So hopefully fire goes down. Yeah, right. Hi guys, so we are now at Kelowna and we stopped over here. It says Doubletree by Hilton. The restaurant name is Turtle Jack, so we are here to explore this nice restaurant. You can see it's over there. So let's go and see what they have for the menu. Let's go in. Hi guys, so the menu looks good like we have over here. It's nice. And you know what, like I'm thinking of getting this one. It looks so cool. It's called Tuscan steak sandwich. It's like 28 bucks. So I'm just thinking of trying that one. So our soup is here. This is cheese and onion. I think that's what it is. She's got the same thing. I got the same thing. So let's try it out. Is it hot? Huh?
Tastes like Marmite.
It's really good. So we got our sandwiches. So we like separate it for like 2 portions like this. And I think it's pretty good. Like see the beef inside. You can see it maybe from this angle. You can see it's good beef, like Angus beef. I think it's AAA some beef with it's medium cooked because my wife doesn't like medium rare. So we'll see how that sounds, how that tastes like. Super good. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes so good. The beef is like so tender. How's it? But I still think medium rare would be really nice. This one is a little bit like cooked. Yeah. Really good. 9.5 out of 10. Okay guys, we are here. This is our hotel for next 2 nights.